guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm just going to be playing in some eyelash extensions. I picked up this kit from Ardell Lashes from Ulta. It comes with some lash adhesive, it comes with some remover, it comes with tweezers, and then it comes with a set of individual lashes. You get one row of short, 2 rows of medium, and then 1 row of long. I did go ahead and do one eye off of camera. This is the first time I've ever done this, so I just wanted to see what some of my challenges may be when doing it. So I have a couple other items that I'm going to be using. I have a spoolie just to kind of comb through my lashes. I have an extra set of tweezers, and then I also have some mascara here. So let's get started. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by putting one long on the end. I'm gonna put the medium size in the middle, and then where I want them to stop at on the front of my lashes, I'm gonna put it there. Now, when I was doing my other eye, what I did notice is when you pull the lash extensions off of this plastic, you just wanna make sure that if there's any of that clear adhesive that helps them stick to the plastic packaging, that you kind of use your other tweezers to pull that off. Because what I did notice is when I was trying to put them on without doing that, the adhesive was not sticking to the lash, which was preventing it from sticking to my lashes. So just keep that in mind, that you just need to go in and just kind of pull the adhesive off if there's some on there. And if it's on there, it'll come off once you can catch it with your tweezers pretty easily. So yeah, so I'll pull that off. And then I also have this little metal mirror I got from Amazon. It's been a while since I got it, but I did get it off of Amazon, and that is what I'm going to be using to put my lash adhesive on. So I'm just going to put a little dollop of adhesive on there. And considering the package was empty, I'm gonna just show you guys what the adhesive looks like. I have bought this one a while ago, but it's easier to get out of the packaging than the one that that came in the package that I bought. This is the one that came in there, but I'm gonna use the big one because it's easier to get out. So I put a little dollop on there. I just take it and I kind of scoop it in the glue. All right, so once you get it on there, it should look something like that. Okay, so like I said, I'm just gonna do one long, and now I'm gonna do a medium in the middle, and now I'm gonna put this one in the middle. All right, and so now I have 2, and now I'm gonna just try to make sure that I even out this front one with the other side. And then now I'm gonna take this one. All right, so 1 short, 1 medium, and 1 long. And then I'm just gonna take the lashes and I'm just gonna fill in. I'll put a couple long ones on the back, and then I'll do a couple medium right here and on this side, and then I'll do the rest short. So it should look like that, and just keep going. What I'm actually gonna do now, I'm just gonna go in and just kind of get all of the large ones on the end. I'm gonna start with just doing 3 on the end of the large, and then I'm gonna move on to the medium and put some more of those in as well. All right, so this is how it's looking. And just depending on how you like your lashes, you can just keep going into the thickness you like. I just want mine to look really natural, so I probably won't add very many more, but obviously I want it to look identical to the other side, so I will just add until they look the same. All right, so I'm gonna put one. This is the medium now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put one side closest to the large one. Do one more medium on the other side of the original medium that I put in the beginning. All right. And now I'm gonna go in with the short. All right, so I'm gonna put, well, the first one that I put down, I actually put it where I want them to stop in the front. So this one I'm just gonna add right next to it on the, and just keep filling them in going towards the back. Do one more short one, and then I'll see where I am as far as how they look, and check them against the other eye, and then we'll go from there. And then I have these little lash tweezers, and I'm gonna just take them and just make sure they're kind of really on my lash line. And then the lash set that I got says that they're supposed to last up to 2 weeks, but we shall see. Because I don't know how that'll work when it comes to like washing your face and stuff, but hey, what do I know? So now I'm just gonna look at them and kind of see where we are as far as like on the other, with comparing the eyes, and I'm gonna just kind of brush them out, make sure my lashes are not curled up and stuff. So I think I need to add like a medium, one more medium, maybe one more long, just so that they look the same as the other eye. And guys, if you don't mind, go in the comments and tell me what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I would love to know. Guys, hit that bell notification so you know anytime I upload. So I'm gonna just go in, I see a little gap, so I'm just gonna add a medium one right there. All right, so I got one. I'm gonna do one more large too. And just FYI, if you're sitting down and doing it, and you're not in the bathroom doing it, just make sure you don't have a fan on. I did notice that as well. The fan will dry out your glue, so if you have a fan above you, just make sure you turn that off before you start, so that your glue don't dry out. It's so fun. I love doing new things. Just kind of challenge yourself on what you know how to do. So I got a little glue on another lash, so I'm just trying to get it out before it dries. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my little lash tweezers again. Just kind of pinch them. Alright, so this is what I got. And I think I am gonna add just a little mascara just to complete everything. Not a lot. All right, guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope that you were able to play with me. If you had any individual lashes just laying around the house that you've been wanting to play in, we shall see how long they last, but I like them. I've been wanting to try them, so this was a great way to try it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when I upload, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.